OC Food Diva. We're not actually talking about food today, but my other career is a dog sitter. And so we had bought a Bissell steam vac a while back, and entered our product information so we could get the warranty. And so I get emails from Bissell all the time. And they had a giveaway for this new Powerglide Lift Off Pet Plus vacuum cleaner. So I entered and I won it. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of this and put it together and then actually try it out, because we had a few pups that stayed with us, so, and especially one that shed. It was a pug, so we're going to see how well it does picking up the fur. So let's just go over some of the features on this one. So it looks like it has an extended reach attachment. It has a pet hair eraser tool. It says it captures pet hair with or without the vacuum. Lift off technology for portable cleaning. Pet turbo eraser tool. I guess we'll figure out what that is when we open it up. On and off brush roll power switch. A multi-cyclonic separation. It has a 30-foot cord length, which is very cool when you're doing a whole house. Multi-level filtration, swivel steering, and a triple action brush roll. And another cool thing about Bissell is that they always have stuff that they're, helping with rescue dogs or just pets in general, like their well-being and health. So this product, by buying this product, you get it's a $10 donation that Bissell sends for each of these products that are sold. And it goes to the Bissell Pet Foundation until every pet has a home. So like this is for pet rescues. Some other features: 2-in-1 vacuum with lift-off technology, multi-surface cleaning with a triple action brush roll, specialized pet tools, I guess to pick up hair and dander and all that stuff. Eliminates odors and freshens with as you vacuum with Febreze. Has Febreze built in there. So, okay. Got our instructions. Registration card, 5-year warranty on this product. And then user manual. This is good, the Febreze odor thing. Got a attachment. Another attachment. Oh, here's the turbo eraser. This is that pet eraser. I have to say it's packed really well. I mean, it came in just the outer box. It wasn't packed in anything else. So a lot of good packing. Keep it safe. Handle. Okay, so the hubby helped me get this out of the box. And then this little hose attachment is in there, along with the base. First step we're going to do is attach the handle. Like that, they've taped it to the handle. You don't have to search through the box. since Christmas time I've been putting together a lot of things, and a lot of things have not aligned, so this is nice that it aligns perfectly. Okay, next. Attach hose by lining the tabs on the cuff with the notches on the back of the vacuum. That's attached. Goes over. There's a little saddle for the one of the hose to go in. We're going to put all the attachments on now, and these they just snap in. Okay. And then you've got the turbo eraser, and this goes right in, like that. Okay. We're going to install the Febreze filter, and it smells very strong like Febreze. So we're going to go ahead and remove the tank. Take off the cover. And we're going to replace this filter, this Febreze filter, which I assume you can order on Bissell.com. So he's all assembled and ready to go. So let's go ahead and vacuum up some pug hair. Okay, so we're gonna start it up and check it out. So here's the brand new empty canister. So we'll compare it to what it looks like after we're done vacuuming this little area here, because this is where most of the dogs spend their time. I have to say the vacuum itself is very neat. So the little, usually the vacuum cleaners have a back little pedal so that you can put the freckle in it. It's got a little footprint. Okay, so this is only about, I don't know, about 80 square feet. And I hadn't vacuumed for maybe about a month because we had so many dogs it was just impossible to try to vacuum while they were here. So you can see we've got, full line on this side. There's still room on the other side, but look at all that pug hair and everything else. Dander, and then them just coming in, from going outside for potties, the dirt that they pick up on their paws. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate the lift-off function where you can detach this from the upright part. There we go. Got this. I'm going to go over. Usually, I don't know if you have this in your house, but the vacuum cleaner never quite reaches when you're vacuuming against the wall. So the wall and then the carpet, there's always that crevice along the sides where you can't really get. So we're going to try this. have to say, I saw some of there was some pet hair in the crevices, and it did lift it off. So now we're going to try the pet turbo eraser. This works. So as you can see, it caught some of, looks like my hair, long dark hair from my head. There's still a little bit of pet fur that I see on the furniture, but it's probably because it's kind of like embedded in with the fabrics. And the other thing I noticed, this thing works better if you pull back and then lift up and then go again versus going like that. So what happens is it's pushing the fabric and the rollers stop, which doesn't really help if you're trying to get the pet hair out. So that's what I noticed. And then I think for the embedded hair, I'll probably use the other attachment, the purple attachment, which is over here. And this is kind of like a lint roller. So, and they said you can use this with or without the vacuum. So you probably don't use it like that, pull up hair, or you can use it with the vacuum to actually suck up some other like little dirt or dander or whatever it is. So, but thumbs up on this vacuum cleaner. It's really cool. You can actually use this as a vacuum cleaner for the car too, especially if you take your dogs in the car. You're gonna have their hair in there too. So I have to say that this Bissell vacuum cleaner is very easy to use, lightweight. It picks up a lot of stuff. I hadn't vacuumed for a few weeks because we had like nonstop puppies. So this was a great chance to try out this vacuum cleaner, and as you can see, it pulled up a lot of pet hair and everything. We had a lot of dogs who shed a lot, like pugs. So, and it did a really good job. But the Febreze filter, you can definitely, you can smell it in the air. It works really well, which is nice. You don't have to go back and spritz everything. It's already in here. So, definitely thumbs up on the Bissell.